Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. I'm going to show you today how to find some of the most explosive stocks that you can consider for your portfolio. Now, whether you be a long-term investor or a short-term investor or a retiree investor, it's always interesting to know a couple of stocks that are on the move. You can then decide whether those stocks suit your investment appetite. So let's get right to it. Let's move myself out the way. How do we find it? Now, before we do so, please note our license number there and our financial services guide. In addition, general advice only today. Past performance not a guarantee of future results. Forecasts and backtests used or discussed today are a guide only. It's a guide only, and those actual results may be affected by known or unknown risks and uncertainties, and therefore may differ materially from the results ultimately achieved. So without further ado, I'm going to cut straight to the chase. Once you load up VectorVest 7 for Australia, you click on the Viewers tab. You go to this tool here called Watch List Viewer, where we house all the different watch lists. There's one here called Cherry Picking Midas Touch Stocks. So if you take out a trial of VectorVest, or you're a subscriber to VectorVest, you've got that automatically at your fingertips. So as of the 1st of February 2024, all right, here is that list of the Midas Touch stocks. These are stocks that have momentum. These are stocks that are going up in price. So if I grab a handful here and graph them, all right, so here they are at my fingertips, and we'll just simply look at the price patterns, and then we'll look at the earnings shortly. So right now, there is that pattern taking place. Pretty impressive, right? Up it goes, smooth left to right, right? JHX, James Hardie moving up. Big jump here, and this one here, Link Administration looks like. All right, and sort of holding steady. News Corp there, nice and steady, up it goes. All right, so the Midas Touch search here helps you identify these types of stocks. Now, what you want to do is once you identify these stocks, so if we go to the first couple here, what we do here at VectorVest is we put on the earnings, EPS, earnings profile, right click. I'm going to make this jump out just a tad more. Some of the functionality that you can do here at VectorVest, I'll make it stand out a bit better. Okay, and I can pull it back a bit. I want to make sure that those earnings are continuing to rise, rising earnings, rising share prices. So I can see for DTL here, the earnings have been consistently rising. So this is a 12-month leading forecast on earnings. It looks at historic, current, and then has a forecast built in. And that's encouraging to see earnings going up and share price going up. So that one jumps out. This one here, James Hardie, we're seeing a nice pop in the share price, but we really want to see earnings starting to track up and following that share price. So here, yes, we're seeing that pop. I might want to wait a little bit more just to make sure, because prior to that, the earnings were falling, which was leading to a falling share price. Share price has just started to turn around, and the earnings are a little bit sluggish in representing what the share price is doing. So I'd probably want to see a bit more evidence on those earnings. All right, Link Administration here, pulling back a bit. You can see a big pop here in the earnings, and the share price is now caught up with it. It's not your typical smooth left to right earnings profile with a rising price there, so it might not be everyone's cup of tea. What we really want is a nice smooth left to right trend here, like Cochlear. All right, you can see a beautiful rising set of earnings, and the share price is following. All right, so there we are in the VectorVest systems, viewers. All right, so in viewers, the watch list, cherry picking Midas Touch stocks. You can find some very explosive stocks each and every day there at your fingertips. If you're stuck for ideas, have a look at the Midas Touch stocks in VectorVest. Hope you got a lot out of it. Until next time, bye for now.